So just a quick shout out to Samsung.
You giving shout outs now?
Yeah. Apparently the DJ Co. He's
The
the
DJ.
CEO of Samsung.
The
Yeah.
DJ Co.
Always gets me every time.
Yeah.
He apparently admits that the Galaxy Fold was a little too early to launch, but he pushed for it to launch on that date in April. And he's kind of regretting it. He's apologizing. So shout out to him.
Now I see in this article you're showing me here, he also said there's still no date.
No, yeah, it's still not ready. Still not ready. He did claim that all of the mistakes are fixed,
Right.
but there isn't a set launch date.
Yeah, right here it says he says that more than 2,000 Fold devices are currently being tested, and that all the issues that plague the Fold have been defined. So there's 2,000 essentially new prototypes out there. I'm assuming their employees are probably using them, and he's saying they're all good. But 2,000 in the smartphone business is actually a pretty small sample. And also, what can you really say at this point?
Yeah.
I agree with you. It's cool. He's being transparent on that front. That's one of the areas I feel like our pal Tim there.
Yeah, imagine Tim
No, Tim can't talk.
saying that.
No, Tim can't talk like that.
You can't.
No, Tim don't talk. Tim don't talk like that.
No.
That ain't no Tim talk. You see that, Will? That ain't no Tim talk. Embarrassing, that's a tough word to say. To be embarrassed, to say you're embarrassed about it. We never experienced an issue with our Galaxy Fold, but the press was heavy. It was heavy, negative press about those things breaking down, peeling the screen protector, the whole package deal. It also says something about the difficulty of this technology, in that we still don't have a date. So it was like some sort of a space race. Who's going to get to the moon first?
Yeah, with the Mate X, right?
The technological moon space travel. Let's get to
There
the
you
moon.
go. Yeah.
And I mean, there were shortcuts. People took shortcuts to get there. I like the ambition of trying to get there first with a new technology. Obviously, problematic new technology, tough, ambitious new technology. But if this had ended up in people's hands, it would have been a bad thing. So it's kind of good that it didn't. It's kind of good they cut it when they did. The Mate X, also not on the horizon, got delayed. Folding phones are further than we originally thought, Will. That's just the reality of the situation.
Yeah.
But the DJ, Co, turns out he's
He's an honorable guy.
he's a little bit humble.
Yeah.
And we around here we appreciate that.
There you go.